Hey everyone, I'm Joanne, your Excel teacher from Sheet Leveler, and today I'm going to show you how to automatically adjust column widths to fit your data in Excel. If you've ever found yourself constantly resizing columns just to see your data properly, you're not alone. It happens to all of us. But don't worry, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make Excel do the work for you. And guess what? I've got a bonus tip at the end of the video. So stick around, let's get started. Instead of manually adjusting each column one by one, I'm going to show you how to use VBA to automatically adjust column widths as you enter data. And trust me, it's easier than you might think. First, we need to open the VBA code editor for the worksheet. Right-click the Worksheet tab at the bottom of your screen. Select View Code from the menu. In the VBA editor, open the General drop-down at the top and choose Worksheet. Easy so far, right? Now let's move on to the actual code. Once you're in the code editor, you'll see a section that starts with Private Sub. This is where we'll write our code. To automatically adjust all columns to fit your data, enter the following line of code right under Private Sub, cells.entirecolumn.autofit. This tells Excel to automatically resize every column based on the content inside. But wait. Why stop at just columns? Let's take it a step further and auto-fit the rows too. Simply add this additional line right below. cells.entirerow.autofit. And that's it. You've just written code that will automatically resize all rows and columns in your worksheet. Now, let's see it in action. Close the VBA editor by clicking the X in the corner. Head back to your worksheet and start typing some data. Notice how the columns and rows automatically adjust to fit the content. Pretty cool, right? If you're not quite ready to dive into VBA, no worries. There's a quick and easy way to auto-fit columns and rows using keyboard shortcuts. Here's how. Select your entire data table. Press Alt plus H plus O plus I to auto-fit the selected columns. Press Alt plus H plus O plus A to auto-fit the selected rows. The only catch is that you'll need to redo this step whenever you add new data. Give it a try yourself. Pause the video, follow along, and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an Excel tip. Thanks for watching.